go. What? Okay, well why don't you stay there and he'll come back up? Mark, go back up. She wants to come down together. Wait till she says ready, set, go. He didn't know. He didn't know. He didn't understand. Set, go!